My first job was at 31 Flavors when I was in high school. Not a lot to it, but apparently I did pretty well because I got a raise within a month. I went from $1.25 an hour to $1.50 an hour, and it seemed like so much money back then. It was a great experience. It was really fun. People at those days didn't have a lot to do, so everyone came to the 31 Flavors to hang out, so I felt like I got paid to hang out with my friends. So it's hard to remember what I did with the money. I know that I was saving up to buy a Porsche 60C. So I finally saved up the money, but then things kind of changed in life and I used that money for probably more important things. As far as money saving tips, I think it's kind of basic, is that you have to spend a lot less than you make. But I think it's about living frugally in the early stages.